Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are discussing this is lecture number 7, business environment. This is part 2. Okay, so in the previous part 1 we have discussed the definition, nature, characteristics and importance of business environment. Now we are discussing the business environment dimensions. So in the dimensions we'll discuss. Dimensions can also be called as the component of business environment or the element of business environment. Okay, so the first thing that we have to notice here is that there are general dimension of business environment and there are a specific dimension of business environment. Specific dimensions are basically competitive, customer, supplier, investor, which only affect the business that they are related to. But the general business environment dimensions, they impact the whole business industry. They impact the whole industry or the whole country as a whole. Okay, so now the first one that we are discussing in the component of business environment, the first one is economic environment. Economic environment basically consists of the economic factors that can affect management practices. Okay, so economic environment consists of the economic factors that can affect management, Okay, so economic environment consists of the economic factors that can affect the management. Let us take in the various examples that could be from here. Change in disposable income of people. Change in disposable income of people. Second one is the change in inflation rates in the market. Third could be the interest rates in the environment, value of rupee, stock market indices. So let us discuss these in little detail, that how does inflation rate generally result in constraint on business enterprises. Basically, if the inflation rates is increased, that means the rupee value is decreased, which will impact the money power of rupee. So now in the same amount of money we cannot purchase more. So the various cost of business such as purchase of raw material, machinery, payment of wages, salaries to employees, etc. will also be increased. So now this is we have discussed the economic environment. Economic environment basically consists of the economic factors. The various questions that can be asked from this section are that they will give you various examples, that is it an economical what are the dimension of this sentence. So let us discuss some example of the same. The rate of growth of GDP and per capita income is also comes under the economic environment. Rates of saving and investment, volume of import and export of different rates, balance of payment or change in foreign exchange rates, agriculture and industrial production trends, expansion of transportation and communication, money supply in the economy, public debt, planned outlay, etc. Okay, they cannot ask outside from these examples. They will give you something like that and they will ask you, tell us the dimension of the business that we are talking about. Now we are going to discuss the social environment. Social environment basically refers to custom, tradition or values that are present in the business environment. Okay, so let us discuss how social trends impact business environment. Social trends present various opportunities and threats to business enterprises. For example, the health and fitness trend has become popular. Like the health and fitness trend has become popular in the urban dwellers. So the demand for diet coke has been increased, the demand for the juices has been increased and the organic product has been increased. That was under the social trend. Now the other could be values, refers to the concept that has prevailed in the society in high esteem. In India, individual freedom, social justice, equality of opportunity, etc. the major social values that have a high esteem in the Indian environment. Okay. Now we'll discuss some tradition. Tradition defined as the social practices, like the social practices that has been practiced in India. For example, on Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Indian people distribute sweets and gifts between one another, so that at that time demand for sweets and confectionery item increases in the market. Okay, now we'll move forward and understand what do we mean by political environment. Political environment basically includes conditions such as general stability of the government. So it is general stability of the government. What do we mean by general stability of the government? If the government is stable in the business, in the environment, that means कि we can run our business more efficiently and effectively rather than the government which is not stable, because each government have different fundays and principle that they follow. Okay, now peace in the country, peace in the country, peace in the country. Then third one is specific attitudes. Specific attitudes that elected government represents. That elected government represent. Okay, so this is the basic term that define how does political environment impact. So general stability of government, peace in the country, specific attitude that elected government represent. So the example of political environment affecting the functioning of business and enterprise could be: political stability builds up confidence among business people to invest in the long-term projects for the growth of the economy. Okay, now we'll move forward and understand what do we mean by the legal environment. Legal environment simply means the legislation passed by the government, any administrative rules and court judgment, as well as the other things that are present in the environment. Basically the general guidelines, rules, regulation passed by the government. It is imperative for the management of every enterprise to obey the law of the land. So basically they have to follow the law of land. Whatever the law is applicable in the environment, every business enterprise is bound to follow that law. Okay, the management of every business enterprise has to obey the law of land. Therefore it is essential for every business enterprise to have adequate knowledge of the rules and regulation. So the basic legal laws apply in the business environment are Companies Act. They have to follow Companies Act 2013 or the previous Act 1954, which was applicable in the business, for which is been applicable for the business. Then they have to follow Factories Act. They have to follow Employment Act and GST and etc. So these are all the acts that govern the business and business. They need to follow all these, and they have to keep themselves updated with the changes that comes into the different acts or the guidelines. Okay, now we'll discuss the technological environment. So technological environment basically refers to the technological changes that occurs in the business environment. So if the business environment does not keep themselves updated with the new technology or the new advances that are coming into the business, or the coming into the introducing by the different enterprises, then they will become obsolete. So technological environment includes forces related to scientific improvement and innovation. So it basically refers to scientific improvement, and innovation. Okay. So by far what we have discussed, we have seen that there is economic environment, social environment, political environment, legal environment and technological environment. Economic environment basically consists of the economic factors that can affect the management of the business enterprise. Then we have discussed the social environment. Social environment basically refers to the custom, tradition or values. Custom basically refers to the rules, regulations, basic custom that followed by the Indians. The tradition basically those have been practiced by the Indians from for very years. and the values basically refers to the practices of Indians, like equal wages for men and women, etc. Now we have discussed the political environment. Political environment basically refers to the government stability and peace in the country and a specific attitude that elected government represent. Then we have discussed the legal environment. Legal environment basically refers to the legal laws that applies to the business and their changes that the business have to keep themselves updated with. Then we have discussed the technological environment. Technological environment basically refers to the scientific improvement and innovation that the business is supposed to keep themselves updated, and if they'll do the research and development properly and they innovate something new, that they will get the first mover advantage. Okay, so in the business environment we have discussed the nature and importance, nature of business environment, and then we have discussed the importance of business environment. After that we have seen the different dimensions of the business environment. Now we will discuss some case studies related to this chapter. Okay, so first one is, it may be difficult to know the extent of the relative impact of the social, economic, political, technological or legal factor on change in demand of a product in the market. Which feature of the business environment is highlighted with this point? So we have discussed the nature of the business environment, which were it is complex, it is interrelated, then it was all external factors, specific and general forces, uncertainty, dynamic, complex. Okay, what is provided in this case study? That it may be difficult to know the extent of relative impact of the social, economical, political, technological or legal factors on change in demand of a product in the market. So we have discussed in the nature we have discussed that business environment is complex. Why did we call it complex? Because there are multiple factors, like multiple factors which influence an business enterprise. So to judge the exact impact of all these factors, if they changes together, then it is very difficult to judge them accurately. So in the case study they have provided that there are changes in the economical, political, social, legal and technological environment. What characteristics it represent of business environment? So we will write it represent the character of business environment, that it is complex. Now we will discuss the second case study, which is, two big banner movies were scheduled to be released on the same date. On the last moment, release of one of the movies had to be postponed due to opposition of the group of people. Due to some unethical contents related to their religion was shown in that movie. The other movie released on time and made huge profit as there was no competition, and movie which was postponed suffered loss. Which feature of business environment is highlighted here? So they have asked the feature of business environment. Feature mein we have discussed the feature relativity, right? Relativity, what does relativity means? Relativity basically refers to the business environment is relative. Relative means that it changes from country to country and origin to origin. So in that, one movie has been postponed due to the fact that it hurt some social sentiments. So it is due to that another movie gained the profits of the market, because that is the only movie that has been released in the market. So the nature of business environment that they are referring to in that case study is relativity. Okay, now we will discuss the second question of the same case study. Identify the dimension of business environment which delayed the release of movie. Now they asked us to identify the dimension of business environment. Identify the dimension. So in that case study we have discussed that it hurts their social sentiments, that it hurts the sentiments of the people. That is why they are protesting against releasing the same movie. Okay, so the thing that the dimension they are talking about is social. Okay, due to the social environment, the movie date has been postponed. Movie release date has been postponed. Okay, now we'll discuss the another case study, which is Naman and Gobind, after finishing their graduation under vocational stream, decided to start their own travel agency which will book rail tickets and air tickets on commission basis. They also thought of providing tickets within 10 minutes through the use of internet. They discussed the idea with their professor Mr. Mehta, who liked the idea and suggested them to first analyze the business environment, which consists of investor, competitive and other forces like social, political, etc. that may affect their business directly or indirectly. He further told them about the technological improvement and shift in consumer preferences that were taking place, and hence improvement and shift in consumer preferences were taking place. So in this question, basically there are two people, Naman and Aman. They both have decided to open a website in which they will help people to book the tickets. Okay, so in that question they have asked, state any two features of business environment as discussed by Professor Mehta. Okay, so they have the two features would be specific and general forces. Means this, specific forces are these: competitive, customer, supplier, investor, and general forces are these: legal, technological, economic, political and social. Okay, and the other is dynamic nature. Dynamic nature basically means that business environment is flexible and it keeps changing, so we have to keep ourselves updated as well. State any two importance of business environment referred in upper para. So in that case study they have also asked us to write the importance of business environment. What was the importance that we have studied before? The importance simply were, it helps the firm to identify the threats and early warning signals. Another could be, it helps in planning or policy formulation. Okay, now we'll discuss the MCQs that comes from the business dimension portion and other portion of this chapter. Okay. Okay. Which of the following does not characterize the business environment? So they asked, which one of the following does not characterize the business environment? Then they have provided the different options, which are uncertainty, relativity, complexity and employees. So they asked, which of the following does not characterize the business environment? Does not characterize means the basic characteristics of business environment. Business environment definition क्या होता है? That it refers to forces, factor, individual institutions which are outside the control of business enterprise. So it is outside the control of business enterprise. Now the options they have provided were uncertainty, relativity, complexity and employees. So all the three factors like complexity, relativity, uncertainty, all these factors are the outside the control of the business enterprise. So they provide the characteristics of business environment, but employees are the internal dimension of business enterprise. So that will be the does not characterize the business environment. Now the second one is, which of the following best indicate the importance of business environment? Okay, now they have asked the question ki, they have given the different options and we have to tell the which of the following identify with the importance of business environment. Identification, coping with rapid changes, improvement in performance. So all three are the advantages of a scanning business environment. So we'll write all of them. Which of the following is an example of social environment? Now they have provided three options: money supply in the economy, the constitution of the country, Consumer Protection Act, composition of family. So composition of family will be covered under the social environment, and the other three, money supply in the economy, will covered under economic environment, the constitution of the country will covered under the legal environment, and the Consumer Protection Act will also be covered under the legal environment. Okay, so let us quickly revise all the things that we have studied. We are studying business environment. Business environment definition is refers to forces, factors, individuals and institutions which are outside the control of business enterprise, but these may affect its performance. Then we have discussed the business environment dimensions. Dimensions में दो होता है, एक तो specific and the other one could be general. Specific directly impact करता है अपने business को and they have the immediate impact. On the other hand, general environment does not immediately affect the business and they indirectly impact the business. In that we have discussed the different dimension of business, which is economical, social, political, legal and technological. I hope this chapter is clear to you. In the next lecture, we will discuss the liberalization, privatization and globalization policy given by the government. Okay, thank you.